Good. Yep.
Hola, ¿cómo está Jake?
Bien.
¿Cómo está?
Bien ist
Yo
bien.
estoy muy bien, muy bien. Jake, ¿cuántos años tienes?
¿Qué?
¿Cuántos años tienes?
¿Cuántos años?
Yeah, how old are you? ¿Cuántos años
How
tienes?
old am I? Oh, 21.
You know, Jake, and let me ask you, let me type this question for you. ¿Dónde está tu casa?
Soy Simi Valley, California.
¿Y dónde está tu escuela favorita? ¿Dónde está tu escuela favorita?
Escuela. ¿Dónde está tu escuela favorita? Escuela means escuela is school.
Ujú.
Soy Moore Park.
¿De dónde eres, Jake?
¿De dónde eres? Where?
Ginger, I will put you in the waiting room, okay? Ginger, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I will put you in the waiting room. Let me finish in a couple minutes, okay?
Okay, okay.
Jay, can you see me?
Yeah, we're good again. ¿De dónde eres? Where? Where? ¿De dónde eres? Is that where I'm from? That's not where I'm from, is it?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
¿De dónde eres? Soy de... I'm trying to think of how to say the United States in Spanish.
De los Estados
Los Estados.
Unidos. Okay, perfect. No problem. Jake, ¿cuál es tu profesión, Jake? ¿Cuál es tu profesión?
¿Es tu profesión communications? What would that go under? It wouldn't be social studies, would it?
Okay. Now, let me go with next question. In chapter 2, as well in chapter 1, you learn the verb to be, which is equivalent, right? En español tenemos
Estar.
estar and ser. Please tell me the rules. When do you use ser and when do you use estar?
Estar is when you use like when you're talking about you, like when you're telling someone you study or like you yeah, like you study for an example, I guess.
Okay. Y with ser,
Except with oh no. I don't know. Except with what?
okay, let me go and everything that I wrote here, it's not must say is right or is wrong. let me finish the first part, and then I will going to give an explanation on everything.
Okay.
Let's conjugate the verbs. Yo with ser. Yo,
Would be soy.
tú,
To. I don't know.
él, ella, usted con ser.
Ellas.
Nosotros con ser.
I don't know. These.
Ustedes y ellas con ser.
I don't know. These ones I gotta like study actually, because these are the ones in the BHL that it says like you just have to know them, right?
Estar. Yo con estar. Yo.
Estoy. Yeah. Estoy.
Tú.
Estás.
Él, ella, usted. Nosotros. Y ustedes y ellas.
Would the nosotros be estamos
Okay.
for estar?
Mhm.
And then
Y
ustedes.
Okay, let me help you. So
Yeah.
with ser, tú eres, nosotros somos, ustedes, ellas son, él, ella, usted con estar es está, y estar con ustedes y es estar. The first thing is you must know how to conjugate those in present tense. That's so important. Once you know how to conjugate them, you need to know the rules.
Yeah.
It's a step mistake. Otherwise, you don't have 100% the picture of when did you set and start. With the start, we use with location. That's the rules based on your book and based on what you learned in chapter 2.
Mm-hmm.
Health and well-being, and as well as conditions. That's the rules. With set and start, they are not interchangeables. They are solid rules.
Mm-hmm.
Especially in your exam, you say, "Oh, professor, I think it was with start, but I put ser," is not gonna accept it. It has to be one, just one answer. Con start. We have also, we learned from chapter 1 and review chapter 2 when it's telling time. We said, son las 2 de la tarde, son las 3, es la 1:05 de la tarde. With profession. Yo, and that was my question. ¿Cuál es tu profesión?
Mhm.
Yo soy profesor, tú eres estudiante. ¿Cuál es la profesión de un engineer? Él es ingeniero, ella es ingeniera. Profession. Nationality or origin. I ask you, ¿de dónde eres? And you say, oh, soy de los Estados Unidos. That's origin. Then, telling time, profession, origin. It's one more. What else? You learn one more here in chapter 1. And when you describe it, when you describe something, describe person, place, thing, it's said. Here, when I ask you, ¿dónde está tu casa? I'm asking for the location of your house. That's why I'm using the word estar.
Uh-huh.
So estar goes to estar, which is, wait a minute. my mistake. Wait a minute, my mistake.
It's the other way around.
Yes, the way around.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, con estar is location. So I'm asking you here, ¿dónde está tu casa?
Okay.
So by the está, it's just location condition. Okay, I'm just asking about the location of the house. Mi casa está en Simi Valley.
So right there when when it said soy, was I saying like I'm Simi Valley, California?
Yes.
So it was like, okay, that's wrong. Okay.
Totally right, yes.
Yeah.
Totally wrong. Yeah. Mi escuela favorita está en more partner. So another thing is I want to make sure the students answer all my questions in complete sentences, no phrases, complete
Yeah.
sentence. Because
Mhm.
how? Why is so important? Especially in Spanish, MO1 or MO2. The students have to prove me how they know how to conjugate the verb. Probably they know what it means, but they need to show me that they are using correctly the verb when the person is answering.
Yeah. Understandable.
So that's something that I recommend you a lot to study, go back and take notes, put in your notes, go back to your book and practice.
Oh, that's what I was gonna ask. You know, like we have so we have VHL, we have like our other classmates I can reach out to, but do you know of anything else like a tutor that could help
Yeah.
me?
Tell everybody that you have tutors on net tutors.
Yeah.
You can join me on online office hours every day you want. Well, the days that is on your syllabus. And also we have a tutor from Mobile College. So that many help.
Yeah.
A lot of help. Use net tutors, you will have a lot of help then. From Monday to Saturday, they work. So
All
you
right.
can use that resource. That resource is so important.
Yeah.
Next, let me do this question for you. ¿Estudias o trabajas los fines de semana? I'm asking you, like, ¿estudias o trabajas los fines de semana?
¿Estudias o trabajas los fines de semana? Okay. De semana.
Los fines de semana es weekends.
Oh gosh, I thought it was semester.
No.
¿Estudias o trabajas los fines de semana? I don't really know what that's asking. Los fines?
Ya los fines de semana, it means weekends. So, I'm asking you, do you study or work on weekends?
Work. Los fines de semana. ¿Trabajas? ¿Y trabajas? Or is it just...
No, okay. Los fines de semana, when you say trabajas, you're conjugating the verb as tú trabajas.
Okay.
Like you, los fines de semana, yo trabajo. Okay. Let me ask you this. Okay. Let me help me to conjugate trabajar. Yo
would be
you have it here. Yo
trabajo.
I have it. Trabajo. Tú
trabajo. What?
él o ella, él
Trabaja.
slash ella. What?
Trabajas. Yeah.
Okay. Nosotros o nosotras.
Trabajos. That was
Y
yeah.
ellas o ellos o ustedes.
Ellas y ustedes. Trabajar? Trabaja?
Ok, tú trabajas. Él o ella trabaja. Nosotros trabajamos. Ellos trabajan. So, again, on chapter 2, I recommend you to go back and review
Yeah.
how you call the verbs ending with AR. Because those, we call regular verbs ending with AR. Those regular verbs, they follow a pattern, how you conjugate them. Irregular verbs doesn't follow a pattern. Those are irregular verbs. They conjugate totally different.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's, so make sure you go back and study because that's so important. Because on chapter 3, you're gonna be learning how you conjugate the verbs ending with ER and IR. So
Yeah.
if you got material now, it will be a chaos on chapter 3 because everything is coming together.
Yeah, it's
They
a
still-
complete domino effect.
Yeah, they just think, oh, I complete chapter 2, it's gone. No, in language class, it's coming. It's like recycling of the language all
Yeah.
the time.
Yeah.
And especially on my most video conference, I use what you learn in chapter 1 and chapter 2 and have a conversation with you and vice versa. Okay? Any
Okay.
question for me?
Thank you so much. That's it.
That's it.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.